Hello friends, I Anuradha Varal, Assistant Professor in Computer Department at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. The subject is Data Structures and Algorithm. So in this video, we will see the open hashing, that is collision resolution technique, open hashing. So what is hashing? It is a searching technique and it is a technique used to convert a range of key values into range of indexes of an array. The common paradigm is to store and retrieve a data for processing. Hash function is used to map a given value with a particular key for faster access of element. So hash function is h of k equal to k mod m, where k equal to key and m is the total number of column in hash table. So how to use hash function? Suppose they gives the value of key 6, 26 and the size of the m equal to 10. M is the size of the table and the hash function h of k equal to k mod m. So 6 mod 10 equal to 6. So for the 6th location, the 6 is stored in a hash table. Then 26 mod 10 equal to 6. Here the collision is occur. So collision occur, we will see the collision resolution technique of hash function. So there are the two methods to resolve the collision, open hashing and closed hashing. So in this video we will see the open hashing chaining without replacement and chaining with a replacement. So chaining, which is a separate chaining. For example, a equal to 3, 2, 9, 6, 11, 13, 7, 12. Okay, so the first key is what? 3 and the hash function h of k equal to 2k plus 3. So we have to put the key in the hash function kth location. So 2 into 3 plus 3 mod 10 equal to 9. For the 9th location, 3 is stored. Then second value 2. 2 into 2 plus 3 mod 10 equal to 7. So the 7th location 2 is stored. Then 9, 2 into 9 plus 3 mod 10 equal to 1 gives first location. So the first location 9 is stored. Then 6, 2 into 6 plus 3 mod 10 equal to 5. So for 5th location there is a 6 stored. Then 11, 2 into 11 plus 3 mod 10 gives the 5. So here is a collision occur because of in a 5th location there is already stored the 6. So in a chaining method they gives the chain from the first element in the same location, means chaining from the 6 equal to 11. So the 11 is stored in front of 6 in a same location 5th. Yes, then next 13. So 13 also gives the 9. Here is already the data is stored. So here is a collision occur. Then the 9 in a 9th location 3 is already stored. So the 13 is stored in front of 3, same as the 12. So this is the separate chaining. So here we use the chaining without replacement. So chaining without replacement, here we have to index m, that is 10, 0 to 9 and the data, and here the hash function gives the k mod m. So the value of k 131 mod 10 equal to 1. So the first location 131 is stored. Then 3 mod 10 equal to 3. So the third location 3 is stored. Then 4 mod 10 equal to 4. So the fourth location 4 is stored. Then 21 mod 10 equal to 1. So the first location there is already stored the 131. So the 21 which is stored into the next free location, that is 21, and the chain value stored in the chain column 2, means second location 21 is stored, which is the pointer of 131. The same as the 61 mod 10. So the 61 mod 10 equal to 1. So the first location already 131. Then next free location is what? 5th. So the 5th location 61 is stored and this pointer is stored in the chain, that is 5. And so on, all this data is stored in the hash table. Whenever there is a no chaining, then this is put the null value, that is -1. So this is chaining without replacement. Then last chaining with a replacement. So in a chaining with a replacement, there is a same, but here is a difference is what, whenever they gives the chain value, so the whenever the generate the particular number, it gives the replacement in a particular chain value. Suppose it gives the 5 mod 10 equal to 5, so in a fifth location 5th is stored, but 2 mod 10 equal to 2 mod 10 equal to 2, then 2 mod equal to 2, that is location of 2, there is already stored the second value. Yes, they gives the already stored the second value, that is 2 value, but here the particular number is what, 2, so this 2 is replaced and this 21 goes to the next free location, that is 6th location. This 21 is stored and the particular value, particular index of 2 which is stored into the 2, and replace the particular chain in front of 2, means whenever the collision is occurs, then update the table here the data 21, so the 21 which is stored into the next free location, that is 2, will be stored at the 6th index because it is empty, and the original value which is stored in the same position, that is 2. So this is the chaining with a replacement. Thank you.